In this video, we'll discuss how to create pages in Evoq content. First thing I'm going to do is log in here as the host user. Now in order to create pages, we don't necessarily have to be logged in as the host user. We just simply have to be logged in as a user who has the privileges or permissions in order to create a page. Now, in order to create one single page, we can hover over the Pages menu item and click Add New Page. And when we click Add New Page, we get a pop-up window and we can fill out some information about our page. The only required field is the page name as indicated by the red star. So I'm going to name this page Locations. And beneath the page name we see various fields that we could populate with more information about our page. I'm simply going to leave that blank for now. We also need to indicate to the system where we want the page to live. I currently have no parent page selected, so this page is not going to be a sub-page, and I'm indicating that I want the system to insert the page after the home page. So if you see our menu here, the page that we're creating is going to live in between the home and about us pages. I also have the include in menu checkbox checked because I definitely want the page to be shown in the menu. And before I click add page, I'm just going to scroll up and click the permissions tab and indicate that I want all users to be able to view this page. So I've configured my permissions, I've given the page a name, and I've told the system where I want the page to live, and I'm simply going to click add page. And now the new locations page has been created and the menu has dynamically updated for us, and you notice a SEO friendly URL has also been created. We're also kicked into edit mode by default, so I'm going to close edit mode. And now I want to talk about how we can create multiple pages at once. Sometimes it's very tedious to create each individual page, say if we had to create 20 to 30 pages. Well, we have a solution for that in Evoq content. I'm going to hover over the admin menu and access the page management. Now on the left hand side of the page management page we see a tree or a hierarchical structure of our site, and it's showing the pages, and you can see down below that we have a legend that's indicating the status of the page, such as its visibility and if it's hidden in the menu. Now we can select any page, we can right click, we can view page settings, we can delete, add, and we can make this page the home page. So I'm just going to select the root item and I'm going to right click and click add pages. This gives us the capability to create multiple pages at once. And if you notice in this blue box here, it says this will create one page per line below the selected page. For creating hierarchies, you may prepend the lines with a greater than symbol. So since we selected the root, we're making a page that's going to live at the top level. So I can start typing, and I can say that this is going to be page 1, page 2, and beneath page 2 I want to have some sub-pages. So I'm just going to use the greater than symbol as indicated above. And I'm going to call this sub-page 2A, and we'll do another one, sub-page 2B, and we could use two greater than symbols to have a third level page. So I'm going to call this sub page. And so we could create any kind of hierarchy that we would like for our site. And once we click the Create Pages button, you'll see that the system is creating all of the pages for us. So I'll simply click Refresh here. And now we see the pages that I just created. We can see the page 1 and page 2, as well as the sub pages that were beneath page 2. Now you'll notice that upon creation, the site has made the pages where they're visible to administrators only. And we do this on purpose because the pages probably yet don't have any content, and so once we get the pages populated with content or whatever modules we would like, then we can make them visible to the public. So Evoq content makes it really easy to create a single page or even bulk pages. And I hope you found this video helpful, and I would encourage you to check out our other videos where we discuss more in-depth functionality of Evoq content. And thanks again for watching.